We are to look for angle XYZ in this circle geometry question. Now, I'm going to show you a very short method. There are different ways you can use to solve this, but I'm going to show you a very short method to answer this question. Now, the first thing I want us to look at is this angle at the center. We have these 2 points X and Z, and I have these two lines coming to the center of the circle, center O. And from the same point X and Z, I have these two lines coming to the circumference of the circle to form this angle here. So the theorem to apply is that angle at the center is twice that at the circumference. So since we have the one at the center, in order to get the one at the circumference, we simply divide the one at the center by 2. So 138 divided by 2 will give us 69 degrees. So that means this angle here is 69 degrees. Now, when you see a shape like this, where you have two angles at this elbow end here, and then you have an angle at the circumference here, the shortest method to apply is just to say that this angle at this point, let me call it angle PXO. Angle PXO is equal to this one at the circumference minus this one here, because the sum of these two angles will give this 69. And the rule is that the sum of adjacent base angles of two isosceles triangles. So these adjacent base angles, these two angles will become adjacent base angles of two isosceles triangles at this end to add up and give you this 69. So the shortest method to apply is just to say this 29 plus the whole of this angle here, which I have called PXO. The two of them together will give you this. So to get PXO, we simply say 69 minus 29. So 69 minus 29. And that will give us angle PXO as 40 degrees. But if you check this angle PXO, that's the whole of this angle, you observe that there are two equal marks there telling us that the two angles are equal. So that means this line XY is bisecting this angle PXO. So the two lines are equal. So each of them will be equal to 40 divided by 2 in order to get each of them, since they are equal. And that will give you this one now that we really need, PXY. That will give us PXY as 40 over 2. Let me remove this 2 here. 40 over 2, which will give you 20 degrees. So PXY is 20 degrees. Then finally, for us to get our angle that we have to look for, that is angle XYZ, we're going to use a special rule here. Don't forget, in this angle or in this triangle PXY, this line PY is extended outward to form this angle here that we are looking for. That is angle XYZ that we are looking for. So once you see this external angle, because this line has extended outward to give this external angle, so the rule to apply there is that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Don't forget, this angle is 20. We know that this is 20, just as this one is also 20. So these two opposite interior angles will add up to give us this exterior angle that we are looking for. So the exterior angle is simply 69 plus 20 degrees. And that will give us the value of angle XYZ finally as 89 degrees. And this is our final answer. Please like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.